Hello, everyone. It's Monday, March 23rd, and welcome to our daily Pearson Clinical Assessment video newscast. My name is Tina Eichstedt, speech-language pathologist and senior product manager, coming to you from my home office in Washington State.
Hi, I'm Nancy Castilleja, and I also am a speech-language pathologist and a senior product manager for Pearson. We manage the speech and language products for Pearson, and I am in San Antonio.
We have 4 news items to share with you today. Number 1, a no objection letter for screen sharing. We're hearing from a number of our customers seeking our permission to share Pearson's copyrighted assessment content remotely with their clients using teleconferencing tools and screen mirroring software. We want to support this, of course, and remove any potential barriers as practically as we can. So with this in mind, we've posted a no objection letter that grants permission for this use of our content in support of Telepractice for the time being. Please visit our Telepractice page to learn more and download the letter if it is useful for you, and let us know if you have any other questions on this topic.
Our second news item is that more tests are coming to Qglobal with remote on-screen administration. So in cooperation with the authors of the MMPI family of products and the Milan family of products and the BASC3, we're moving forward with enabling remote on-screen administration within Qglobal for these products. Within Qglobal, you'll now be able to have the system email a link with the assessment to an individual to complete on their own device in their home. Their only requirement is an internet-connected device, a tablet, laptop, or smartphone. For guidance concerning administration of these assessments in a remote setting, please look for links to this guidance on our Telepractice page, which is pearsonassessments.com/telepractice. We hope to have these tests available for remote administration within Qglobal by the end of the day today. We'll also have guidance documents on each of the product pages for MMPI, Milan, and BASC3.
The third story of the day is cleaning test manipulatives and other test materials. We've had many questions from customers about disinfecting materials. So using government health and safety guidance and your professional judgment, if you determine it is appropriate to test, here are some practical tips for keeping materials clean and disinfected. First, disinfect everything using sprayer wipes carefully before and after testing. Number 2, have the examinee wash their hands before and after use. Do not touch the materials yourself. Number 4, it's okay to use gloves, but make sure that examinees do not have a latex allergy if these are latex gloves. And finally, label 2 plastic bags, one clean and one dirty, for storage and later disinfection. We hope some of these ideas are helpful for all of you who are choosing to continue to conduct face-to-face testing. More information on our website as well. The CDC and Health Canada also have guidance up on their website.
So our final item is that there's now open access for certain ASHA Journal articles regarding telepractice. So for all the speech-language pathologists listening in and others interested in our collective work in communication sciences and disorders, this is just in from ASHA. In light of recent public health events regarding coronavirus COVID-19, ASHA Journals is making a selection of relevant articles regarding telepractice free to all readers on ASHA Wire. There'll be a URL at the end of this video. Thanks very much. Sorry.
Thanks to ASHA. Those are the headlines of the day. Thanks, and we'll see you next time. Take care.